What's up guys, in today's video let's talk about Chinos. It is one of the most versatile pants any man can own in his wardrobe. So I'm gonna give you a few simple ways on how you can dress up and how many ways you can dress down. So keep on watching. Like many clothing items, Chinos also have their own origin. Chinos were originally designed for those American troops who were stationed in Philippines, especially during the American-Spanish War in 1898. So the name Chino comes from the Spanish word which is basically means China. From that China, if it translates to Spanish, it is Chino. So those are 2-3 sentences to describe Chinos. Now let's get into business. I'm actually gonna show you on how many ways you can style up the Chinos. First of all, Chinos are amazing. They are great alternative for denim, your jeans. Especially for summer and spring, they're gonna feel more comfortable than your denim because like mostly it is made up of cotton. So whenever you go for Chinos, find which is made up of cotton. Unlike your denim, Chinos come in many different colors like this. Check it out. So the first look is this one t-shirt. I'm just keeping the t-shirt. I'm just changing my denim jeans to the Chinos. I'm keeping my watch and I'm changing my shoes to Converse All-Star white. Check this out. This is more of a summer kind of look. If you want to go for simple date, if you want to go out with your friends, this is the way to go, because in this pants you're gonna feel more comfortable than your denim. And for the length in the ankle, I always tell you to cup your pants if it is long enough, or if it is too long, go to a tailor and fix it. Check it out. I cup this on the right side and I uncup this on the left side. See which one is more smarter. This one obviously, right? So you get my point. See now? That was my first outfit. For the second outfit, I'm gonna change this t-shirt, or I'm just gonna leave in and I'm gonna put a one sweatshirt. Like this, guys. This is more of a I don't care about what you think of my style. Having said so, I still look good in this style, right? I'm just leaving my shoes on and I'm just putting some sweatshirt. This is more gonna be feeling comfortable for a little bit windy weather, or maybe in the early spring. This will be better in that kind of situation. For the number 3 outfit, I'm gonna show you exactly on how to dress up. For the number 3 outfit, I'm using one white shirt. I'm still keeping my blue Chinos and I'm gonna use this crew neck plain sweater. And I replaced my Converse All-Star white sneakers with boots. So check it out guys. This is the outfit. This outfit is gonna stand you out from other people, so that's what you need in style. So let me know in the comment section what you think of this outfit, and let me know which outfit is your favorite. Also quickly, I want to give a shout out to this manufacturer of the pants, which is Henry and Smith. I actually bought this color and this color from them. Let me take the opportunity to shout out for this Henry and Smith. I bought this and the delivery is damn fast. And if you haven't seen the unboxing of these pants, check out this video. I'll also leave the video link down in the description. So what I love about Henry and Smith is their fit is amazing and the delivery is fast. They are affordable with premium high quality cotton stretch Chinos. You can wear this outfit for going out for a date, for a casual business meeting. If you want to grab some lunch outside, if you want to grab some dinner outside, you can rock it anywhere, anytime. So you will always stand out because of the boots, because of the white shirt, because of the crew neck sweater, and because of the amazing fit of the Chino. Like I mentioned before, always buy versatile colors so that you can play around with the colors. So my suggestion for the Chinos color is mostly dark blue, black, khaki color, cream color. Those are the most versatile Chinos colors. You just need to buy one, go get khaki color Chinos. That is the way to go for your first Chinos. And the fourth way to style up a Chinos, I'm using one white t-shirt and I changed my navy Chinos to olive green Chinos. Check it out. So why do I change to these colors? Because I want to be playful. I want to be going out in the summer. I want to feel more youthful. I want to feel like a boy. This can be done by almost all the teenagers out there. You already look good by this white t-shirt, but still you also can add little bit extra and put up one denim jacket. What? This is how I look right now. I changed my shoes to Converse All-Star again white. For the last 5th outfit, I'm changing my shirt to a polo black t-shirt and I'm still keeping the olive green pants. As for the shoes, I changed to leather white sneakers to look it a little bit more formal, to look it a little bit more stylish. What you can do with a polo shirt is simply you can leave it open, or also you can put inside like this in order to look a little bit more dressier. Check it out, guys. Amazing, isn't it? That's it for today's video. If you like this video, if you find it helpful, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, and also comment down below on what you think of this video, which outfit you like the most. Let me know. Also, if you find it helpful, please share it with your friends, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Also, turn on the post notification bell, so every time I drop a video, you'll be the first one to get notified. So thank you once again so much for watching. Until next time, bye guys.